So this is something that came out newly. This is actually only available in Sri Lanka, only available in SimplyTech in all of Sri Lanka right now. No other place has it. We are the first to have it.
Oh.
So this is actually the new generation of something called the R50i NC. This is called the R60i NC, and it was one of the best sellers from SimplyTech, and it was basically, this is known for the price point and the things it offers, right? So it's like a budget-friendly, amazing product. So I want you to hold it and tell me, like, what is your first impression? In my opinion, it's much better than the old generation, but let's see.
The surface is so smooth.
It's smooth, yes.
Yeah,
Yes.
it's so smooth and wow. Oh, there's light as well, right?
Yeah, it's like the charging light stuff. The design is amazing.
I love the design, you know.
Yeah.
Should I use it? Like,
Yeah, you can, but you'll have to connect it. Give me one. Yeah. We're gonna, okay, here are the specs. Okay, we are gonna start with, so this specific product, the R60i NC, it has real-time adaptive noise ANC up to 52 decibel, and that is a mind blower for the price. The ANC for 52 decibel. So what we're gonna do is, you're gonna wear one, I'm gonna wear one, and I'm gonna listen to a song and listen to its 11 millimeters dynamic drivers, which is supposed to be offering a really good bass quality. Let's see. The bass is good. The bass is good. The bass is good. I saw it up to, so I have tried the Liberty 5, right? That is like 23,000 something. Obviously, it's not as mind blowing as that one, but it's still like, it's like if that is a 10, this is like a good 9.75.
yeah.
Right?
You know, the bass is really good.
Yeah.
You can literally vibe, you know.
Yeah. And I'm wearing one. And I feel like this year is
Yeah.
kind of deaf. Right?
Obviously.
I feel like this year is deaf. That's how good the ANC is. But okay.
Sound is wow.
So it has high resolution audio, LDAC supported. Supposed to have higher audio quality than other Bluetooth devices, standard Bluetooth codec. There's 6 mics, so 3 in 1, and the other one has 3 mics. So altogether, the calling quality should be really good for the price point as well. And then so the battery life, according to what's said, it should be supporting 10 hours of battery life for the earbuds only, right? 10. So if I'm
Per
using
earbud?
yeah, per earbud.
Wow.
So these 2 earbuds, like when you're listening to a song, you can use it for like 10 hours. So with the case, I believe it's supposed to give 40 hours of use time. And mind you, with the ANC, it's only 8 hours, right? So if you don't have ANC, you can go up to 10 hours. That's the battery life. And then there is also app control. You can download the app from Play Store or App Store, and then you can edit it according to how you like your song. Increase the bass, reduce the bass, etc. Right? And then IP55 water resistant. That is good for a workout. You can sweat and you can walk in the rain. Safe in that situation. Don't dip it in water. Okay? Don't dip it in water. Right? And the price. Guess the price. Did you see the price?
No.
Okay, guess the price. All of this, like it's like it looks like a high quality product, right?
Yeah. 30?
That
K?
30.
Yeah.
It's actually just 10,000. Just 10,000. Okay.
No
that is
way.
the mind blowing thing about this product, right? So come visit SimplyTech, because this is right now only available with us and I. And I feel like we are going to do a review. This is our first impressions, and first impression definitely better than the previous one. And oh, I forgot to mention, it actually has more than 100 languages of AI translation. I think you have to use the app to translate, something like that. Not like the Apple one where it directly translates it for you. If I'm not wrong, that's the case. This one you have to use the app. I will review everything and let you guys know soon. Yeah, visit SimplyTech.